Yeah.
The National Weather Service in NOAA has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wayne County until 7 p.m. At 6:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mount Olive, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Goldsboro, Mount Olive, Fremont, Walnut Creek, Pikeville, Eureka, Seven Springs, March Mac, Brogdon, and Cliffs of the new state park. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following county: Wayne, North Carolina.
Yeah.
This is NOAA Weather Radio.
Yeah, another severe thunderstorm warning on the way. Here's another one.